Well, hi. I would like to give you a few minutes of instruction on how to complete the weekly activity log for PE class. This is going to be the main way that you get your grade in PE while we are online school. So check this out. I think it'll be totally doable for everyone. So you're going to go to your PE Google Classroom page. I've got that on the screen here. And then you can click classwork right up there. Bonk. And you'll see everything is going to be organized by week. So we've got week 1 with stuff for you to do for week 1 and the beginnings of week 2 and etc. This will continue all the way. So if we look at week 1, April 1st through the 3rd, right here it says week 1 activity log. You're just going to click on that. There'll be some written instructions there, and then you should be able to click and get the document. Now, what you want to try and do, and I don't know if this will look different on your page or not, but you want to get this document saved on your computer so that you can type on it and edit it, all right? And then you'll be able to just turn it back in on the computer, and then I can see what you've done. It should be pretty easy. So your interface might be a little different, but here's what I need to do on mine, because it won't let me just type right there on the screen. But if I click these little dots over here, it lets me open this in a new window. So I'm going to click that. And then here's my new window. Beautiful. Looks the same. But now up here at the top, I've got this little open with drop-down menu. And if I click that, it'll let me open it with Google Docs. Okay, it's kind of a hassle. But now in Google Docs, it'll allow me to type. And I can make changes and fill in what I need to do or what I've done. So here's how this works. It says at the top, each day you need to choose some form of physical exercise. Now, each day I'll be talking to Mr. Overcast and Mr. Blecka, and we'll be coming up with ideas for warm-ups and workouts and activities for everyone. Obviously, we understand that people are in different circumstances, and some people have access to great outdoor places and huge indoor places, while some people don't have access. Some of you might have a bicycle, or you may not. Whatever. So we're going to give you some ideas, but the overriding goal here is that you're getting 30 minutes of active time each day. All right, that's the minimum, 30 minutes. I definitely can and could be quite a bit longer, but 30 minutes physical activity is the key, and that's what you're going to keep track of on here. Now, to answer the most important first question, no, playing 2K or Madden 20 for 9 hours straight does not count as 30 minutes of physical activity. I'm sorry. That's not my rule, but that's the rule. I'm sorry. So let's check this out. Here we have Monday, right? So I would type in my activity in this section. So let's say on Monday that I was running around, maybe I ran around the neighborhood. So I did some jogging around the neighborhood, okay? Time, 30 minutes. Perfect. Now here where it says intensity, check this out. There's a little guide up here for intensity. So if you're doing an activity that is high intensity, that means that you probably cannot say more than a few words without gasping for breath, okay? High level intensity. Medium intensity, if you can comfortably say 5 to 7 words between each breath, but not sing, you're doing moderately intense activity, right? So if you're running, that's probably high. If you're jogging with a friend, just kind of chatting, that's probably medium. And then low intensity, if you can talk and sing without puffing at all, you're exercising at a low level, okay? So maybe if you're walking around the neighborhood, that's a low level. All right, so for me, if I'm jogging the neighborhood, I would say that's medium intensity, all right? Now let's say Tuesday, I'm out gardening. I hate yard work, by the way. I will never do gardening. But for this, gardening with mama. Okay, so we go out and do some gardening. Let's do 30 minutes of that. That's probably a low intensity. Maybe you're digging holes. Maybe for you it's medium or high. But if you're just kind of taking it easy, doing some gardening, that might be low. All right, Wednesday, take the bicycle and we do some cycling around the block. All right, 30 minutes of bicycle riding, and that's going to be probably medium also. All right, so we fill this in all the way. Then on the bottom, you fill in your total minutes for the week. And then you'll just upload this and turn it back in. And then I'll be able to see your activities. So when we give you activity ideas, those are definitely possibilities that you could use. But if for some reason you can't do them, you can certainly find something else, as long as you're getting that heart rate up for 30 minutes a day. All right, that is our number one goal, 30 minutes a day. Okay, I think that's it for here. If you have questions, certainly send an email, talk to me on Google Meet, and I'll help you figure